So this video is about how software engineer works. So most times, I will just describe how my personal experience is like, my this that it is like in this part of software engineering. So most time when I get to office in the morning around 8 a.m. in the morning, I'm planning on making a vlog video on how it is, how it entails, or from my morning period to my evening period of the day working as a software developer or software engineer. So this video is just telling you, just enlightening you guys on how it is in being a what being called a software engineer, on how your day-to-day activities is like. So I will say most times when I come back, when I arrive in the morning inside my office, I will most time check my emails. I mean, if there's any issue, if there's any issue or anything that I need to play with, or see what's up on my email. It's either my Google Mail or my company email, and that's the first thing I'll check. Start doing some little meditations. So I'll check it, and if I'm able to see if there's something I need to jot down, maybe to do that, or something I will have to put in my to-do list. When I'm working on my daily work, I have to jot it down on my paper because I have a personal notebook. So after checking my emails, if there's any issues I have to deal with, those are things I'll put it down in my notebook. And if there's none, I'll move on with what I have next, what I have to do next, which is what checking what I was working on previously on the previous day, which is some coding challenges or coding stuff like that, or coding activities or coding tasks given to me by my manager in the company. So those are the things I have to deal with after checking my mails and doing all those stuff like that. And in the afternoon time, around maybe not before afternoon time, around 11 or 10 a.m. I go out for breakfast. So another breakfast period, I'll go to chill out and take some little naps if I decide to take some, if I'm taking naps. And if I feel like I'm okay, I move on with the day-to-day activities after the breakfast. So after the breakfast, I will do some little coding stuff like that around that 10 a.m. to maybe 1 a.m. to 2 p.m. So during that period, I will do some little playing and little typing. So you understand what I mean. So those are the things that I think to be what software engineer. All most times, most part of your days is majorly into coding, being able to what code or code and code and code. That's just how it is. That's what I'm really passionate about. That's what I really love to do. So that's just how it is. So, and if you really like me to what make more videos about this stuff like that, I'll so that create time to make video like this also. So, and if you have any question about how to get into tech, how to get into coding, you can just leave it down in the question section and answer your question, or I'll create a special video on that aspect too for you. So not just from my end, guys. And most time in the evening period, I will go out for my lunch. Is it lunch? Yes, is it lunch or brunch? People call it. I don't know the name people call it. But most time I go out in the evening time or in the afternoon time, around 3 to 4 p.m. to take out my lunch and come back to the office. When I come back to the office, I'll continue with my daily tasks, and at the end, around 5 p.m., I'm off to the office, so I can decide to shift from my what daily office tasks or to my personal tasks. Most times I do all the technical stuff, like maybe writing articles, posting to Medium, and doing some personal working on some side project I've been dealing with, either maybe playing with Flutter, either playing with Python, either play with anything that just entices me, that just catch my eye. I'll play with it, maybe code it out and see what's up. And if it works, life moves on. If it doesn't work, I gain some experience from it also. So those are the things, those are the day-to-day tasks, those are the day-to-day experience of what I've been dealing with as a software engineer. So if you have any question about this, about what I've mentioned in the video, I will feel free to answer your question. Just leave your question down in the comment section below. I'm always here for you guys. So this is Go Media. So thank you for watching my video. I'm always appreciated. I'm always appreciative of you guys, because this video is just for you guys. So thank you so much for this time, and peace out.